Hey guys, it's your girl Clara and welcome to Vlogmas number 19. So we have a new video for today, and this video is we are going to review Skintific Cushion Foundation. So, TikTok viral. So, kung gusto niyo malaman tong video na ito, just keep on watching. So as usual, mali yung na-upload ko nung Vlogmas. Parang intro yun nung Vlogmas today. So, it's Vlogmas number 19. So, we are going to review this Skintific Cushion Foundation that naging viral sa TikTok. So, di na siya first impression kasi diretsahan review na siya. Okay. Actually, this is not the first impression I am going to tell you my thoughts in this one. Okay. It covers everything with this one. Yan. It covers everything. Cheese marks, discolorations on my face. Actually, random budol lang to kasi nagustuhan nito ng tita ko with this one. And the packaging is very luxe. I don't know the feeling anymore after using a cushion foundation. And it covers everything. Cheese marks sa aking face, discoloration, and more. Ay pak, nakatakip na lahat ng cheese marks sa aking face. Let's see if we are going to set this via powder. We are going to set this on a powder basis. Okay, powder. Okay. You see, it goes a long way after it sets with a powder. I'm using a Vice powder, by the way, para malaman natin yung consistency of finish nitong powder na to. Okay. It even blurs out. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. It even blurs out. Natatapal lahat ng mga cheese marks sa aking face. So, ang shade na meron ako dito is Vanilla 01. And we're going to put a makeup with it. Konting groove. Parang masabi na. Ang ganda. I love this Sleepy from Absolute. So I love this I love this kind of I love this cushion foundation. It blurs everything. So kung gusto mo ng pangmalakasang base or best, no wonder why it's best in cushion foundation with this one. Nilagyan ko na ng setting spray para malaman natin yung consistency nito with the powder. So, no wonder kung consistency niya. So, ang review ko dito, it lasted for a day. And, wow. Ang ganda nitong produktong to. Favorite, no wonder why it's viral on TikTok anyways. That's my review for Skintific's Cushion Foundation. I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and I hope that you like this video. Just don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless and bye-bye. See you in my next video.